Our brain sends out more than 70,000 thoughts every single day. Every idea, memory, and reaction starts with a tiny spark of electricity. And the nervous system, it transmits those electrical impulses at speeds of up to 120 meters per second. That's faster than a Formula One car, racing through a network of over 100 billion neurons. Every movement, every heartbeat, every emotion you feel depends on this incredible system. But have you ever stopped to wonder how it all works so perfectly? How your body and mind communicate every millisecond to keep you alive, thinking, and moving without you even noticing? In less than 5 minutes, you'll discover the brain, spinal cord, and nerves explained clearly and intuitively. By the end, you'll have a simple framework to remember it all and apply it right away in your nursing practice. Basic structure. The brain commands, the nerves execute. The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system, CNS, the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS, all the nerves that send messages throughout your body. Memory trick. Think of the CNS as the power plant and the PNS as the wires that carry electricity to every room. Without the wires, no light. The central nervous system. The brain receives information, processes it, and sends out responses. The spinal cord is the superhighway that connects the brain and the body. Here's the cool part. Some responses don't even go through the brain. They're spinal reflexes. For example, when you touch something hot and immediately pull your hand away. The spinal cord acts before your brain even realizes it. Memory trick. Remember the word RAPID. Reflex, automatic, protection, instant, danger avoided. The peripheral nervous system. This system is divided into the somatic nervous system, voluntary movements, walking, talking. The autonomic nervous system, everything that happens automatically, heartbeat, digestion, breathing. Memory trick. Think of the autonomic system as your autopilot. It keeps you alive even while you sleep. Autonomic system, sympathetic versus parasympathetic. Two sides of the same coin. The sympathetic system prepares you for action. It increases your heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure. Fight or flight. The parasympathetic system calms you down. It slows everything down and helps with rest and digestion. Rest and digest. Memory trick. Sympathetic equals stress. Everything speeds up. Parasympathetic equals pause. Everything slows down. Neurons, the invisible heroes. Neurons are the cells that transmit electrical signals. Each neuron has dendrites that receive a cell body that processes and an axon that sends the message. Memory trick. Remember, DCA equals dendrites, cell body, axon. Think of it as direction, clear ahead. The signal always travels in that order. Clinical application. Understanding the nervous system isn't just theory, it's essential in nursing practice. To recognize abnormal reflexes, to assess muscle strength, or to detect signs of neurological damage. Every nurse who masters the nervous system becomes the kind of nurse who truly makes a difference. If you want to go deeper with clear charts, illustrations, and ready-to-study summaries, you'll find an entire chapter on the nervous system in our digital nursing guidebook. It's designed for you, the nursing student who has little time, many exams, and wants to learn faster and smarter. With this guide, you don't just memorize, you actually understand. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next lessons on anatomy, pharmacology, and nursing techniques. And always remember, you make the difference. Every time you learn something new, you're improving someone's quality of life. See you in the next video, Future Nurse Hero.